Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, I found a new recipe. It's Sicilian olive chicken. Ingredients sounded really good to me, so I'm going to try making it. We'll bring you all along. So sit back, relax, and I'm going to get to cooking. Alright y'all, get started here. Uh, get our pan warming up. We're going to drop a little bit of olive oil in here. Just enough to coat the bottom of the pan basically. But we're going to get that heating up, and we're going to brown 4 to 6 little boneless chicken breast tenders. If you don't want to, specifically buy the chicken tenders, you can buy whole breast, trim them up yourself. Uh, you know, uh, Trim them up the best you can. Get them kind of thin. I bought just regular tenders because, I'll eat them. I'll chop them up and do something with them. But they were actually cheaper than buying the chicken breast. So let me get this oil warmed up here. We'll get this chicken started, and then we'll move on to the rest of the ingredients. Alright y'all, we got that oil mostly heated up, so I'm going to throw that in there. Okay. Try to make sure these aren't sticking. If y'all know some good non-stick pans, let me know. So, got those in there. I'm going to take a little bit of black pepper and season them up. Now we're going to throw the lid on it. Then we're going to move on to the rest of the ingredients, I guess. So I'm going to start out here with 1.5 cups of frozen chopped spinach. This is thawed and drained really well. Then we want 1 14.5-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes, the Italian style. So get that in there. And this is 1/3 cup of Sicilian olives, chopped, or halved, I guess. The only ones my store had were the stuffed ones, so I got those, and they got the little red things in them, but that shouldn't be no big deal. 1 tablespoon of capers, rinsed, to get the brine off of them, and then 1/4, is it quarter? Yeah, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. And you don't have to use this, or if you want to, you can add more to it. So just get all that in the bowl, and then we it says to mix it all up. So I mean, it smells really good. So, I like spinach, and I like all the ingredients that we got in here, so I think it's going to be pretty good. Alright, I think that looks mixed up pretty decent. Alright, I'll set that off to the side there. We're going to check on our chicken here. And let me grab a pair of tongies. So and all we're wanting to do is just brown these on one side. About 4 or 5 minutes, something like that. And they're getting there. Yeah, getting close. Yeah, getting real close. So, all right. All right, I'm gonna finish browning these up, and we'll bring you guys back when we get ready to do the next step. All right, y'all. I went ahead and finished browning them up, and I realized I only had 3 more pieces of those tenders left, so I just went ahead and threw those in there too. We're gonna have enough of the sauce, I guess, or topping to get that covered up. I turned my heat down to medium, or medium low, and then we're just gonna take this and add that to the on top of the chicken here. Get it all out of the bowl there. I know you guys probably can't see a whole lot right now, but there we go. Kind of spread that stuff out. Get it in there. I'm basically gonna marinate that chicken in there. So, all right. We're gonna cook this for another probably 10 minutes or so. Enough to get that all those ingredients kind of warmed up and good and tasty. So I'm gonna do that, and we'll bring you guys back when we're ready to do the taste test. Alright, y'all, I think our chicken and stuff's all done. I did check the chicken with a thermometer. It is up to temperature, so we're gonna go ahead and dig us out some of this, and I'm gonna do a little tasty test here. So smells delicious, y'all. So, alright, there's that. We're going to get some of this topping stuff here and throw in there. Y'all, that smells so good. So, alright. We'll get the other, get turned around here, and we'll do a little tasty test. Alright, y'all, we got our Sicilian Olive chicken here, and I had a little bit of feta cheese in the fridge, so I kind of sprinkled mine with a little bit of feta, so I'm going to try it here. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's a little bit of heat from that red pepper. You can taste the olives, you can taste the spinach, capers, I guess. I've never really been known to eat capers, but I taste a little something different in it, so you know, I'm gonna try another bite. That's really good, y'all. I'm glad I found that. So there you have it, Sicilian olive chicken. Pretty simple to make. Not a lot of ingredients, so y'all need to try that one. Don't let the ingredients scare you. Try new things. All that tastes really good. You can taste the olives, but they're not like the salty, you know, real bite kind of taste to them, but they are really good. I wish I could have found the real Sicilian olives. I have had those before, and those are really good, but the green ones are just as good. So there you have it. Y'all need to try this one, and again, if y'all know some really good, you know, non-stick cookware, I was thinking about trying that stone granite stone stuff. If you all tried that and like it, let me know down in the comments there. So anyways, there you have it. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up, and even if you don't like it, give me a thumbs up for trying. And if you're new to the channel, ring the bell over there. We cook all kinds of different stuff. We do all kinds of different stuff. We work on tractors, we work on cars, we work on everything. We work on working in there in the kitchen. So anyways, I'm rambling. Love y'all, and as always, bear appetit.